Today we are making chicken samosas. Ingredients. For the filling: 1 pound boneless skinless chicken breast or thighs cooked and shredded. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. For the dough: 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. 1/4 cup ghee or oil. 1/2 cup lukewarm water. Instructions. Prepare the filling. Heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and let sizzle. Add onion, garlic, ginger paste and cook until onion is translucent. Add chicken, coriander powder, garam masala, salt and lemon juice, mix well. Stir in cilantro. Make the dough. Combine flour, salt and baking powder. Add ghee or oil and mix until crumbly. Gradually add lukewarm water to form a smooth dough. Knead for 5 to 7 minutes. Assemble samosas. Divide dough into 8 to 10 equal portions. Roll each portion into a thin circle, about 3 to 4 inches diameter. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling in the center. Fold dough over filling to form a triangle or cone shape. Press edges to seal. Fry samosas. Heat oil in a deep frying pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 180 degrees Celsius. Fry samosas until golden brown. Baked version. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. 200 degrees Celsius. Place samosas on a baking sheet, brush with oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Calories 220. Fat 12 g. Saturated fat 2.5 g. Cholesterol 20 milligrams. Sodium 250 milligrams. Carbohydrates 20 g. Fiber 2 g. Protein 10 g. Adjust spice levels to your liking. Freeze assembled samosa. Enjoy your homemade chicken samosas.